guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is about recreating a makeup look that Katrina Kaif has done. It's all in the thumbnail and everything. So if you're interested to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. This look is really simple, it's good, it's wearable, and it's summer friendly too, so it's very minimal. I have just used 2 to 3 products to get this look. It's easy, it's super duper easy. It's not some rocket science that you won't understand. It's really easy. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Guys, we are just gonna start by priming our face, and I'm using this brightening facial oil from Good Vibes, and I'll just prime my face now. So guys, this is the look that I'm gonna create today. She has on a very light amount of makeup on her face, and she also has a very bronze effect on her face, as you can see, and it's a very light makeup, good for summers. So let's quickly get started. And the oil I've put has already seeped in, so we are ready to start. I'm gonna use a primer today. This is the primer I'm gonna use. This is the L'Oreal Base Magique primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit where I have pores, and I'm done with my primer. I'm gonna use a very little, I'm not gonna use any foundation today, and I'm gonna use this palette. You must have seen this in my video a lot of times, so I'm gonna use this. This is a very full coverage concealer kind of stuff. I'm gonna use this today. This is how it looks, and it's in the shade I don't know, it's in the shade Chestnut Crunch 05. So we're gonna use this just to cover up the darkness around like my eyes and the places near my nose, and the dark spots I have on my face, just that much. Do you see it instantly covers everything? And I just want a little bit of lightness under my eyes here, so I'm going to use this concealer from Elegant Pro Conceal. I'm just gonna use this much. You can see it's really very less. I'm just gonna use that much. Doesn't look that I have put a lot of makeup. It looks really nice and subtle, and you must have seen how much makeup I have put on. It's just a little bit of concealer, and you just have to put it in the right place. Her face was really bronzed up, and you could see the marks and everything on her face. So as you can also see my marks here and there on my face. It's not totally covered, like here I still, you can, my marks are actually visible. So we just gonna put a little bit of powder like on the places we have concealed, just to set it properly. So I'm gonna use this powder from Sugar. Do you see the difference, like this side and this side? I hope the camera catches it and you can see the difference. It's not exactly transparent, it's translucent, so it does add a little bit of coverage to the places, so remember that. Eyebrows now, I am using this Maybelline New York Fashion Brow Duo Shaper in the shade grey, and I'm gonna use this today. I never used to use brow pencil because I always used to brush through a spoolie and I'm done. I really like how my eyebrows are shaped, but I just want to add a little bit of color into it. It's not really pigmented, and that is why I like it so much, because I don't like pigmented eyebrow products. It looks really bad. If you go wrong with it, it looks really bad. I'm just filling in the gaps and nothing else. So guys, I'm done with my brows, and this is how it looks. I'm really happy. It took like a lot of time to do my brows, but it's fine. So we're gonna just bronze our face, and I'm using this palette today from the Maybelline New York Master Contour palette. This is what it looks like. I have been using this. If you guys are following me from a long time, you know that I use this a lot. So I'm using this, taking this brush, just dipping it, and I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm just putting a little bit of contour in my forehead. I know my hair forehead is really small, but I do like to give a little bit of warmth just in the center to make it look put together, not like stark two lines, bronzing two lines here. I just like my look to be put together and really nice. She has used a lot of mascara, so I'm gonna put mascara. This is the one I'm gonna use today. This is the MAC Fanatic. Okay, this is the MAC Fanatic Cat Eye Mascara from Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna use this today. Do you see a difference between this eye and this eye? I can totally see. Let me just come forward. You can see the difference between this eye and this one. It's totally different. So she has applied a really very watery tint to her lips. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply this one. This is from the brand called Face Shop. This is watery tint in the shade, I don't know the shade, it's not written here. Okay, it's 02 Coral. This is how the shade looks. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna dab, like take this one here, ekdam completely everything, and just dab. It has given my lips a really watery tint effect like hers, pinkish just here. As you can see, I'm gonna take that shade only and put that in a very light hand. So guys, this is the final look that I have come up with. I just had a t-shirt like this, so I thought I'll just match it up. Don't mind the color, I didn't have the exact same color, but I had this, so I matched it up. So this is the final look, the messed up hair and everything. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, are you going to try this look or not? And then you can also subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification right next to it, so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye, take care, stay safe.